need to go to space.
That's a big drone.
That's a 6-foot drone.
Jeez. I'm gonna definitely have to go over here and talk to him. You don't see stuff like this every day.
We're Prime Rinse. We're a pressure washing company out of Litchfield, and we took a Agras T30, a DJI crop dusting drone, and we modified it to use it for pressure washing so we can wash water towers and high-rise buildings without needing to rappel or build scaffolding. It's a lot safer and it's a lot more affordable option for our customers.
Guys, look at this beautiful thing. Much cleaner. That's cool.